Hey guys, it's me, Crazy Honda Chris, in the sales department at Randy Kuehl Honda in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. And here behind me, we're gonna have a 2022 Honda HR-V EXL. I'm gonna walk around this vehicle for those that are considering to buy one of these or just want a refresher to show you guys all the cool standard features and functions. So when you arrive at the dealership, you know exactly what this vehicle has before you take it out on a test drive to save you guys some time. All right, now if you guys have any questions, you know what to do. Drop them down below in the comments. I'll do my best to answer those questions. And for those that are in the market, right here's my phone number. Don't hesitate, give me a call. I'll show you how easy it is to join the Crazy Honda Chris family here at Randy Kuehl Honda in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. Now let's go show you all the cool bells and whistles right now. All right, so here we are right outside the 2022 Honda HR-V EXL all-wheel drive. As usual, let's walk up here to the Maroni sticker. You guys are welcome to pause the video right there if you want to explore on your own. Now up on the top right hand corner is going to talk about your fuel economy. You got 26 for the city, 31 for the highway with a combined of 28. Down on the right hand corner talks about your safety ratings. Right over here is where the vehicle is made at, the price point, and then the list of standard features which we're going to try to cover today for you. I will also post down on the bottom left hand corner some additional color options and if there's going to be additional charge for that particular color. As we step here towards the front, comes standard with 2 key fobs. All of your Honda sensing features come standard. I'm talking about your adaptive cruise control, your forward collision, road departure, and lane keep assist. Additional safety, as not part of the Honda sensing, is going to be the Honda LaneWatch over here on the passenger side mirror. You have a 1.8 4-cylinder non-turbo with a CVT. Fog lights down below. You got your LED daytime running lights. Let's kind of get closer to the grill so you guys can see what's going on. Your daytime running lights are right over here. A little bit of chrome action going on the front nose. Kind of makes a bold statement. We'll step over here to these nice alloyed rims. And then we're going to have heated body color side mirrors with turning indicators. They're going to be a breakaway side mirrors. So it's going to be easy if you need to pull these in. Body colored handles. Roof rails right up top. Let's take a quick step back so you guys can see a side profile of the vehicle. We're also going to have smart entry with the vehicle. So let's say it's all locked up. I got the key fob right here. I can keep this in my purse, my jacket, whatever. Put my hand in the handle. It automatically unlocks. I get out of the car. I still have the key fob in my pocket. I can simply hit this button, walk away with confidence knowing that the vehicle is locked, okay? Or you can simply just enable your walkaway auto lock feature. So simply, let's say I walk away with the key fob, 10 feet away, automatically locks the doors. Let's see if I accidentally, drop my key fob right in here, I'll walk away or hit the lock button, you cannot accidentally lock your keys in the car. Check out my other video right up here for some additional information about that, all right? All right, let's step right over here off to the side. Now your handles here are gonna be right up here for the back seat. We'll step right back here to those. In the back, you have LED taillights. Just makes a bold statement as you're applying to the brakes for safety, of course. A little bit of badge of honor going on. This particular one's an all-wheel drive, so you know, all-wheel drive. We have a multi-angle rear camera. We're gonna have a hydraulic lift gate. This button right here, so for the lift gate, it simply just unlocks the tailgate. So if you want all the other doors remaining locked, you can simply hit this button right there, then automatically unlocks that, all right? Here we are, plenty of space with the Honda HR-V. Challenge accepted as life happens. If you need a little more room, hey, not a problem. These seats will fold down nice and flat for you. So there it is. Load it up, let's get on the road, guys. Spare tire is gonna be down below. We have a nice little courtesy light right over here up to the side, just in case if I need that. We have a load of courtesy tie downs. Here's one right here. So you know things won't be jumping around in the back if I need to tie anything down. You can have your third seat belt right here. Rear tinted windows. Let's open this up. Hey guys, it's me, Crazy Honda Chris. Sorry to interrupt the video. I just want to say thanks again for watching. I really appreciate you guys' support. And once again, if you guys are in the market, you know what to do. Here's my phone number. Give me a quick courtesy call. Any questions, drop them down below in the comments. I'll do my best. And don't forget to help me by showing your support by hitting like and subscribe. Now let's get back to the video, all right? All right, let's open this right up. Right from the get-go, we got a nice soft leather going on within the door paneling. We have our nice armrest. And then you got your power windows. It's pretty easy and straightforward. Some additional cubby space right down below. Then we'll focus right here on the nice leather interior. Back seat's gonna be a 60/40 back seats. You can recline these a little more if you need to. You got this right here. Simply pull that forward and back. You got two different ways to go about. You can see the difference. Headrest comes right up. Makes it a little easier to sit down on this thing. When you bring the seats down, simply fold that down. You can pull this and bring it down from there. Spring loaded, folds right back up. We also have the magic seats, so simply grab the bottom of the base and lock that right in. There we go. So it's gonna be a 60/40 split seats, so both sides will do that. So now I have room for, that tall plant for the garden, or maybe, bike back here, whatever you're gonna need. Let me know down in the comments what you guys put back here with the magic seats, all right? Carpet mats come standard, no additional charge for those carpet mats. To release that, simply pull that up, comes right down, snaps right back in place. Now over here on the passenger seat, we're gonna have a courtesy pocket for some additional storage. And then down below, we got a nice little cubby space with a 12-volt plug-in. Let's open up the front door now. Here we are at the door now. We got a nice leather going on again. We're gonna have power windows, pretty easy and straightforward. Power locks, window lock button, just in case anyone's misbehaving back there. Your mirror selectors, and then the D-pad to adjust accordingly, okay? Some additional cubby space down below. And then we'll come right here on the driver's side seat. It's gonna be a manual seat, okay? So there's gonna be a pump action, so pump up, pump down, and then you got your recline right over here, then a squeeze bar to slide forward and back. Your gas release, and then you got your hood release, and then of course, your pedals for stop and go to get you A to B. Now let's jump right in the vehicle. Let's start it right up. It's going to be a push button start, so I'm gonna keep the key fob in my pocket. Just make sure you have it with you. Put your foot down on the brake, then hit the start button and watch everything light up. Now we have some additional buttons over here on the left-hand side of the steering wheel. You have an econ button. You can see when that's on or off by a green leaf right here on the driver's interface. So right now it's on. I'm gonna hit it again. It's off. Econ's gonna make you more fuel efficient, most effectively for your highway driving. You may see anywhere from 2 to 4 more miles to a gallon, depending on how aggressive you're driving. Now you're gonna be sacrificing acceleration power, electrical power, and AC power to achieve that. So those really hot summer days, just gotta choose when you wanna use that. Do you wanna be fuel efficient or do you wanna be comfortable, okay? Some additional buttons, you get your road departure, your forward collision, and vehicle stability assist. Your steering wheel adjustment is going to be all the way down here. Pull that right out. It's going to be a telescope, so it goes in and out, up and down. And then just push it right back in to lock it, of course. Got some adjustable vents going right over here. Right here. And then a whole bunch over here for the passenger. I got a new fly front here. There we go. Now, all of your Honda sensing features are going to be standard on the right-hand side. You can see when they're available by the green writing. You can see that right down here. You got your ACCs, your adaptive cruise control, then lane keep assist system. If you don't see that, not a problem. Just hit this main button. As you see, it's gone. I'm going to select it again. Now it's available, okay? This is going to be for your lane keep assist. So as you select that, you'll see all of your driver's interface stuff going on right over here. That's hollowed out dotted lines right now because we're not going the proper speed between 45 and 90 miles an hour. But if we were and it found lines on the road to be filled in white dotted lines as a visual confirmation saying, hey, I found some lines on the road. Okay, so with that being going from there, we also have your adaptive cruise control. This is right here. Let's go select this a couple times so you can see the lines up there changing. We're selecting the distance between you and the car in front of you. So let's say you're going 35, the car in front is going 33. Found that car in range. It will beep back to let you know. You can turn that beep on or off. Slows you down to maintain that distance, okay? So once they get out of the way, boom, you're back to whatever your cruise control speed was set at. Now let's say for some reason you don't like that for any particular reason, you don't like the adaptive part, you just want standard cruise. All you have to do is click and hold this button down here for a second. You can hear it beeping at me. And then also gives you a little visual right here, cruise mode, all right? It's not adaptive cruise, it's just cruise, okay? so it won't warn you, it won't, you know, maintain that distance. We'll turn it back on for the next person. Now to navigate through all this stuff right up here on the driver's interface, you got these buttons here. They can be pulling right towards you. All right. So I can see what our range is. If you guys have any questions about this stuff, feel free to drop it down in the comments. I'd be glad to answer those questions. You got your gas tank right down here. We're empty. Got to fill it up. Now we're also going to have shifter pedals, pretty much change the automatic into a manual, and then you got your wipers over here. Adjustable end to end, you get your rear wiper from there. Headlights, auto headlights, fog lights. Then you have some more of your media controls over here for your music. You got your volume, different sources, stuff like that. And then you got your hands-free for your phone. So you can answer, you can back out, or hang up. And then you got your voice command, hey, call Crazy Honda Chris on mobile phone. If your phone's paired, to give me a call. I'd be glad to help you guys. You have your Honda LaneWatch on your turn indicator. Oh, totally got out of focus right there. So I got my blinker on right now. You can see over here on the camera. So over here on the passenger side. It won't be on the other side, so if I turn to the left, you don't want you to be, you know, looking to the right as you're turning to the left. The whole point of that is to increase your field of vision on this side, okay? Now, cool little thing, you can actually hit on the end of this. I need to stop reaching in with that arm. There we go. You got this little button. I can select that without my turn indicator on, and it comes on. Now, let's take a moment to look at the driver's interface a little more. You get your speedometer right up here. You have a nice little white light that's going around that. That's going to be a visual coaching there. That's your fuel efficiency backlight. So pretty much when you're being fuel efficient, that's going to change colors from white to green, or you can go from green to white too. So that's going to be pretty nice to make you a little more fuel efficient if you want to level up your game. And now over here on the left-hand side, you got the time. You're going to have the outside temperature is 80 degrees. Doesn't feel like it on this windy day. Then you have your tachometer right here, and we can see that you're shift in park. Now let's focus over here on the touch screen. We're at the home menu, music options. Let's thumb through some of this. Source. So you got all these music options. You got FM, AM, satellite radio. You got 3 months of that for free. After that, you have to contact them to continue that paid subscription. You have a USB port right here. So you don't have a CD player, but not a problem. Download your CDs onto a flash drive, then it's a plug and play, okay? Now, your flash drives can be plugged in right down over here. We're also going to have a 12-volt plug-in down over there and a nice little tray to put whatever you need. And then we have these other options down below. You have a smartphone connection, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Simple plug and play. Just plug it in down to this USB with a picture of the phone. Apple phones, just a simple plug and play. Android Auto, just download Android Auto first, allow all the permissions, then it should be a plug and play. You can use your other compatible apps right up here while charging your device, okay? Like Apple Maps, Google Maps, and other apps from there. You got your phone. You can pair up multiple phones. You got your info right here. Just kind of the basic stuff, where you get in for fuel economy, trip A, trip B. You got your vehicle settings right over here. So you can change some of your settings. Honda Link, then you got your smartphone connection. That's pretty much everything right there for you guys. Pretty nice and easy. You can change the brightness of the screen if it bugs you between your day and nighttime driving. You get this little star and moon going on right here. So just keep hitting it and adjust the brightness for you. Hazard lights. Right down here we got your climate control. We have heated seats, 2-tier. You got a low and a high. You got your temperature, fan, passengers heated seat, rear defroster with heated side mirrors, front defroster, air circulation modes right here, AC on or off and auto. You got your park, you got your reverse. When you put the vehicle into reverse, your multi-angle camera automatically displays. So you have a nice 180 view, a straight behind you view, then a straight down shot from your rear bumper view. Now as you turn this, guess what? That turns as well, and changes colors to let you know that your tires are now in line. Neutral drive, then you have an S for sport drive, just changes the gear ratio for more fun throttle driving. You have your electrical parking brake right here, a whole brake right here, cup holders, armrest, which is going to be adjustable, comes right up. You got a little place to hide some of my change here, for Cameron. He can't get my pennies. And then glove box, deep enough, challenge accepted, fill it up, forget about whatever you throw in there. We have auto dimming rear view mirror. Sorry, I got distracted with the car coming up behind us. Auto dimming rear view mirror. A one-touch power moonroof. Opens, closes, tilts, everything the power moonroof should be doing. And then this is gonna be for your dome lights, okay? Simply have them off, or you can have it on, so when you open up a car door, they come right on. Let's take a moment, take one last look here at the dash.